What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering a brand new job lead. This is with you working as a customer experience analyst. This is a completely remote position, and this job is going to be paying anywhere from $50,000 to around $60,000 per year. So really good here. Also, you get a ton of benefits here. You get unlimited and flexible PTO. You get commuter benefits if you ever have to do that. You get maternity and paternity leave. You also get health benefits, and this job doesn't really require any experience. So I think this is a really good job to apply for, especially if you don't really have a ton of experience or you're looking for that remote work from home opportunity. So with that covered, I just want to go through some other job listings real quick that you guys may have missed. But these job listings are probably still up, active, and you can still apply. So today's job is going to be one that can pay you $50,000 to $60,000 per year. But there's another job listing at this company. This is AppQ support specialist. So this job can actually pay you $45,000 to $55,000 per year. Similar type of job, but this one doesn't require you to be on the phones. And this is also another full-time remote work from home job. So even though it's a support specialist or customer service related position, you'll be writing emails mostly. Maybe you'll have to do some video chat support, but you won't be on the phones. This is not like a call center or the typical work from home call center job. So you can apply to this one if you like. I cover this on my other channel, the work from home channel. And also be sure to go over to that channel because that is where I post daily brand new job leads. Also, there was a remote job here somewhere. So this is a customer specialist job. This one is not worldwide. This is US only, but this was another customer specialist, customer support type of job that paid really well. Salary range here was $65,000 to $98,000 per year. So another high paying job. Actually posted this one on the work from home channel about a day ago. And also there was this worldwide position right here, community manager of video games. This was a remote position, and you can do this from just about anywhere in the world. There wasn't any salary listed for this job, but I went to Glassdoor, and a community manager at this company, Keyword Studios, makes around $50,000 to $60,000 per year. So that's what you can expect to make from this job. But again, it does say United States, New Jersey, but here it also says that this is open to candidates worldwide and is not limited to just US residents. So even if you're not inside the US, you can apply to this job as well. And with that said, be sure to go over to this channel, my second channel, the work from home channel. This is where I'm moving all the remote work from home job content. I've already started. I'm posting daily videos here, daily brand new job leads on remote work from home jobs, both inside the US and also worldwide opportunities. So recently I posted jobs like this, $18 an hour, perfect beginner friendly job, doesn't require anything really. You just need to want a job, and they provide you with paid training. So a really good opportunity here. Also, tech support jobs worldwide, $29 per hour, don't need to be on the phones. Also, tech jobs here paying over six figures, over $100,000 per year remotely. Other worldwide jobs that don't require you to be on the phone, where you can make, $26 or $27 per hour. Customer support jobs where you only did live chat or email support, so you didn't have to be on the phones. But a bunch of remote jobs here, so be sure to subscribe and be sure to tap that notification bell. That way you never missed another update of when I post a brand new job lead here. Now with that said, let's dive right into today's job lead. And that comes from this company, Torch Dental, and currently they have one job opening, and this is a customer experience analyst, and it is a remote position. Now for this job, this is what you're going to be doing. So they're looking for someone that has exceptional communication skills with the ability to articulate ideas and complex information in a clear manner, someone that has a passion for understanding and solving user problems, detail-oriented problem solver and critical thinker, positive, proactive attitude with an ability to multitask and prioritize in a fast-paced environment, hands-on collaborator that works well in teams, interest in technology and software, ideally up to 2 years of customer-facing experience. Previous customer service experience is a plus, but it's 0 to 2 years, so if you have no experience, then that's fine as well. Experience with ticketing or CX tools, also experience related to the dental space or within an ordering platform would be a plus as well. So that's kind of what they're looking for. Also here, some of the benefits. Salary range is $50,000 to $60,000 per year. You get health benefits, medical and dental coverage. You get 401k benefits, unlimited and flexible PTO, maternity and paternity leave, commuter benefits, structured training program to help you learn critical business skills, career planning with a focus on professional development, also employee-driven culture with happy hours, team events, and other initiatives to celebrate success. So that is really what this job is all about. Also, the expected working hours here will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Time. If you're in Eastern Time or the Eastern Time Zone, that will be 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. your time. So keep that in mind. This is the time that you'll need to work depending on where you are. Also, this position here, so you'll use different channels. So it could be live chat, or it could be email, or it could be text messaging, or it could be on the phone, but you'll use all these different mediums to do this job. Also, I know you guys probably have never heard about this company before, Torch Dental. So I was able to find them on Glassdoor. They have just about 100 reviews here, 3.9 out of 5 stars. So this is also really good reviews, and they have a bunch of salaries reported here. So you could look at some of the reviews here, see what people had to say about working at this company, and it'll probably help you determine if you actually want to apply and work here as well. But this was the job lead for today. So links down below. Apply as soon as possible if you are interested. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. Don't forget to go over to the second channel, the work from home channel, because that is where I'm posting daily brand new job leads. I actually just posted a brand new job there today, so be sure to check that out. But all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.